Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Rogue, and I will show you how to delete Bluetooth phones from the phone menu. You can have up to 6 phones stored, and once you reach that limit you will have to delete one to be able to add a new phone. This video should apply to 30th generation of Nissan Rogues made from 2021 all the way up to 2026. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now this is quite easy to do. Here on the main vehicle screen you can either press this phone icon in the bottom left corner, or you can press this phone button under the screen. It will take you to the same place. Once you are here, you will press connections, and here is the list. At this point I have only one stored phone here, and to delete it you just have to press this information icon and then press delete. You will get a question to confirm delete the iPhone, and I'm gonna say yes, and that's pretty much it. And once again, like I said, you can have up to 6 phones stored. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.